Welcome back. In the last step, we talked about the relationship between the stock market and the economy. Now that you understand what the stock market is, you might still think, okay, I get it, but it doesn't really matter to me. I don't have millions of dollars and I don't work on Wall Street. But you don't need to work on Wall Street, and you definitely don't need millions of dollars. Even just a few dollars can be enough to get started. But how much is the right amount for you? We'll cover this a little bit later. But now, let's break down some common myths. A common belief is that investing is only something other people do. We've heard people say that they think investing is only for people smarter or wealthier than them, or that they don't have enough money to need to think about investing yet. The first thing we want to do is squash this myth. Investing is for anyone who is able to open a brokerage account. In the United States, that generally means if you're over 18 and have a social security number. Do you fit that qualification? If so, you can invest. Unfortunately, TV shows like Billions and movies like Wolf of Wall Street, and the fact that investing, or money management in general for that matter, isn't really taught in schools, it's easy to believe that it's not for you. Pop culture has glorified Wall Street with an impression of wealth and affluence, most commonly with men that look like Leonardo DiCaprio in fancy designer suits driving fancy cars. While the sex, drug, and rock and roll atmosphere shown from the investing world of the 80s is no longer a reality, the wealth that is generated by Wall Street is still very much real and can be quite intimidating. Luckily for us, investing has become really easy. It's a good thing and a bad thing, as just because you can doesn't always mean you should. It can be dangerously easy to make big bets and take on more risk than you're comfortable with. But with the right fundamentals, anyone can reap the benefits that the stock market has to offer. The key takeaway from this step is that investing isn't just for the rich, but much like a casino, a lure of massive potentials is really dangerous. But to our benefit, the magic of compounding works for all of us equally. If you don't know what that means, don't worry. Most of us don't. We'll address that and many other important concepts soon. But first, in the next step, we'll break down the difference between investors like you and me and the Wall Street guys.